What's the persona of a franchisee? Who's the right franchisee for this? Why should they be invest in industry in this segment? What's appealing about the moving industry? Tell us about the support and what you do for the franchisees and the level of support that you provide. You want to introduce yourself for us, please?
Hey, I'm Kilbasa. I'm the owner of Oxstrong Moving, and I'm just super excited to be here at IFA in Miami.
Very nice. Well, welcome, and tell us a little bit more about the business. What does the business do?
Yeah, so we do moving services. We do residential and commercial. We are a customer service company that provides moving services, and I'll tell you what, we do not hire movers. We hire marketers, okay? So everybody on our team, we're always outgoing, we're always positive, we're enthusiastic and energetic, and I'll tell you one thing as well, we're continuously improving, okay? We've been franchising now for about 30 days. We already have 2 under contract, 3 locations in Florida total. So that has us up to 5, and we're probably gonna be at 10 by the end of this show. So we're really excited. We got a really good amount of prospects, and we're really excited to have potential owners join our system.
That's amazing. Well, you're just starting franchising. That's an exciting journey. And what's the persona of a franchisee? Who's the right franchisee for this?
Yeah, I'd say somebody that's, really looking to get out there, really energetic, and really excited to be about something that's growing, right? I mean, we're growing like crazy, and really what we're trying to do is we're trying to provide really good customer service. I say it a lot, I mean it a lot, and I'll tell you this as well. If you're out there and you really want to get into something, you want to be a business owner, and you really want to be a part of a team that's continuously improving on the business side, on the financial side, but also on the personal side, this is the right place for you.
And tell us someone about why should they be invest in industry in this segment? What's appealing about the moving industry?
Yeah, so we're a recession-proof business. And I'll tell you one thing as well, a lot of moving companies the past year have been flat. Okay, we've grown over 100% and we're continuing to do so. And it's just due to our fact that we have an amazing sales team, we have an amazing marketing team where we handle all the sales, all the marketing, and your job is to go out there, recruit, train and maintain, and do some in-person marketing events, okay? Always marketing, guys. You know what we're doing here.
Incredible. And so you start to touch on, tell us about the support and what you do for the franchisees and the level of support that you provide.
Yeah, so I actually encourage you guys, if you're interested in a moving company, what you got to do is you got to call the best movers that you're interested in. So if you say, hey, I don't know if I should go with this company versus this company, call their sales team, pretend to be a customer. We won't be mad, I promise, okay? We won't be upset, and then see who you think is the best, because we like to pride ourselves on being extremely good at selling moves. That's what we like to do. We like to provide a fantastic service of communication. And then the last thing I would say is with the marketing, we have in-house people that focus on Google, all the third-party companies you can think of. Google's just the biggest, and we're aiming to conquer every Google page, and it's at the local level as well. So we want to make sure that each location individually is ranking very high on Google, is getting a lot of leads locally, because that's where 90% of our moves are taking place, within the same county.
Awesome. And tell us about the investment level. How much does it take to get started here?
Yeah, so it's $100,000 to $200,000, and we have a $35,000 franchise fee, and that is a cheap price to be a part of an amazing team. I'll tell you this, because as we continue to grow, obviously we're going to raise everything, but we're going to raise our standards, we're going to raise our systems, and we're going to raise our owners' bank accounts. So let's make sure that happens.
Incredible. Any last piece of advice, someone out there that's looking to invest in buying a franchise, what would you tell them?
Hey, no matter if it's Oxstrong Moving or another, there's a lot of amazing vendors here. Everybody here has been extremely helpful, extremely energetic. I'm in here with Mustin and Barry. These guys are also phenomenal, and I'll just leave it at everybody here is here to help you. We're here to support you. We're here to make sure you become successful. We want to make sure you make a lot of money and have a lot of fun doing so.
Amazing. Well, congratulations on this milestone of growing and starting to franchise, and we wish you all the best, and we're following your story. So thanks a lot, Zach.
Thanks, guys.
There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.